Hey, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to give you an update. A lot of you have asked, have we moved into our new home yet? And the answer is,
we're still here. House is still for sale.
that's right. So we are in the process of still selling the home. So we've got it on the market. Definitely the market slowed down, but we're super patient. We're not in a rush to get to Middleton, but we wanted to just give you an update on that. Still plan on moving in the same home and the home run. So I've got a video on that. I'll link down in the description if you want to check that out. I kind of gave you a tour of that house as well as the theater room there. So also got some other really exciting news. My daughter, oldest daughter, just got engaged 2 nights ago.
So that's exciting. They've been dating 10 years
Yeah.
because they met in middle school.
Yeah.
And so they've done the Appalachian Trail. They've done middle school, high school, college. And so now they're both into their careers and ready to make the next step. And Mr. Mike or Youthman or whatever you want to call him here doesn't even know the average cost of a wedding.
Yeah, that's
so
expensive.
I don't know. Maybe you can tell him what you think an average cost of a budget-friendly wedding would be.
Yeah,
But
I think we're gonna blow the budget.
no.
No, Rachel.
As long as we pay cash for it.
That's right. That's right. So,
But just curious, what do y'all think a wedding should cost?
yeah, let me know in the comments because I have no clue. We were looking at a couple venues and just food alone is like, oh my gosh. But they only get married once and we're super excited. He's a great dude. Rachel's amazing. Super proud of our kids. And so this will be our second child to get married. So we're looking forward to her and starting her own family. And but yeah, man.
And we got
cool
the
stuff.
pool here for the grandson.
Yeah, so we can't afford a big pool. Jessica's always wanted a big pool. Just blew this up tonight for Roman.
Can't wait to use it tomorrow.
That's going to be the thumbnail for the video right there. But yeah, so he's 2 years old, man. He loves hanging out with Papa and Mimi. He's a blast, man. We absolutely love hanging out with him. And so our life is changing. You know, our kids are growing up. They've moved out of the house, at least 2 of them. 2 are still here in the house going through nursing school. So that's super cool. You know, Naomi she'll graduate in about a year. And then Rebecca probably has 2 years, maybe even 3. Probably 2. But,
And they're having fun. They both have jobs in the hospital, so they're having fun learning hands-on nursing right now while they're in college. So they're both should be getting off their shift now. They did 12-hour shifts today.
Yeah.
So it'll be fun.
Yeah, so we just wanted to give you an update. So what I've been doing in the meantime, while we wait on this house to be sold, I've been driving up to Middleton. Actually, I guess Lady Lake, where Obsessed Home Theater and Obsessed Garage headquarters is. I typically film a podcast with Matt on his channel, so definitely check that out, Obsessed Garage. Each week we just talk about something different. We talk about life, we talk about finance, we talk about business, talk about Obsessed Garage, and we talk about Obsessed Home Theater. So we're just having fun, but we'll continue to do that each week. And usually while I'm up there, I'll try to film some kind of video. Maybe it's on JTR, maybe it's on Per Listen. We just launched that this past week. Super pumped about that. So check out the website, obsessedhometheater.com. So we're really grateful for them. Love their products, love the people that stand behind Per Listen and the engineers there and the owners and founders. So a lot of exciting things happening. The home, a little slow, but like I said, we're not in a super hurry to get it sold. Right buyer come along and then we'll get ourselves moved.
Yep, so that will be good. If anybody needs a home in Florida, perfect neighborhood, by the way.
Yeah. So we've raised our kids here. Absolutely love it. Actually, I'll show you real quick. I don't know. A lot of you guys.
They've already probably have seen it.
They may not have seen that.
Yeah,
So,
they've seen this house.
no. I'm going to show them my family.
Oh.
So it's a little dark, but you can see this is my oldest son, Jacob, his wife, Alanis, and then our oldest daughter just got married or got engaged, Rachel, and then middle daughter, Naomi Grace, and our youngest, Rebecca. So love my family, man. They mean the world to me. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick video update. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, have we moved yet? No, we haven't moved yet. But like I said, we're still in the process of doing that. So once it sells, we'll document that whole process, tearing down the theater room, building a new one, and just having fun in the process. So I hope you guys have an incredible week. God bless. We'll catch you in the next video.